First, we'll count up the valence electrons. We need to account for the fact that NH4 plus has a positive sign, which means we've lost 1 electron, and that needs to be subtracted from the total. So we have a total of 8 valence electrons and 4 electron pairs. The next step is to connect the outside atoms to the center atoms. To do so, we use all 4 of the electron pairs available. Now we know hydrogens only need 2 electrons for their octets, so we see that each hydrogen has 1 pair of bonding electrons associated with it, and therefore 2 electrons. These bonding electrons also count towards the octet of nitrogen, so nitrogen has 2, 4, 6, 8 valence electrons. All atoms have an octet. We're using the correct number of electrons, and the only thing we'll do to finish this off is to indicate this entire structure is associated with a +1 charge.